Let's find the inverse of m of x, which is x squared minus 4. If we're just an autopilot with inverses, we're thinking, let's call it y equals, and let's switch our x's and y's. So x equals y squared minus 4, and we are going to add 4 to both sides. So we have x plus 4 equals y squared. And when you take the square root of something, remember you always do plus or minus a square root. So the square root of 25 is positive 5 or negative 5. Both squared to be 25. Square root of 36 is positive 6 and negative 36. So when I do this, I would get y equals plus the square root of x plus 4 and y equals minus the square root of x plus 4. It could be plus or minus with the square root. Why is this the first time we don't get a single unified answer? We don't just get one function. We get two functions, a positive square root and a negative square root. Well, let's think about the original function. X squared minus 4 is a parabola. And what's something that you notice about this function? It's a function because it passes the vertical line test, but does it pass the horizontal line test? No. This fails the horizontal line test. It's not one-to-one, so we will not find an inverse. So we tried, we got 2 answers. That's because we were never supposed to find the inverse anyway if it's not a one-to-one function. So just be careful to automatically jump in and try to find an inverse. If it's not one-to-one, it does not have a single unified inverse like we want it to. So it has to pass that horizontal line test. One thing you can do is plug it into a graphing calculator and see whether it passes or fails the horizontal line test before you even find an inverse.